What's going on, people? This is Brian, and you're watching As you can see behind me, this yard is a mess. There's a ton of pine straw down here, and we're going to be cleaning it up. But before we get into it, make sure you click the like button, the subscribe button, and leave me a comment, guys. Let me know you're enjoying the channel. And when you do all that, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any content. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I'd like to grow my audience a little bigger, or a lot bigger actually, and you can help me with that. So if you're new to the channel, please, welcome first of all, welcome, and subscribe to the channel, please. So I'm gonna get set up, and we're gonna get going with this. All right, y'all, I'm done with this one. This is the back. I'm sure if you watched the video all the way through, you saw all the leaves back here. That tree there still has quite a bit of leaves to drop, and so does that one there. The dogwood there is almost done, but that tree right there's got a lot of leaves, and those pine trees there still have some needles to drop. But I did want to show you pretty stripes. And let's walk around to the front. This is the side, and this lady has a walkway. She likes walking down here instead of climbing steps. That front yard, I'm sure you remember what an absolute disaster it was. Well, that's what it looks like now from the side. And I'll come up here on the sidewalk so you can see. You want to hear a funny story? We always have a lot of wind, a lot of breeze in the fall. Well, she had just had her roof cleaned, and look at it. It's going to have to be cleaned off again. Now there's a truck coming. Let me let this guy go by. But you can see the front is clean and it's striped really pretty. Now this grass here is cut on 3.5 inches. I know it don't look like it, but it is, I promise. But anyway, there's old Gertrude and Leonard. So, yep, that's it. Think I'm gonna call it a day, guys. Well, we're right back where we started. I hope you enjoyed it. This is this is one of my regular customers too, and this yard was quite a bit dirtier than I had anticipated, and it took almost twice as long as it normally does because of that. But it is what it is. I enjoy doing it. I enjoy doing work for this lady. She's real nice. But anyway, this is Brian with Big South Outdoors TV. If you haven't as of yet, please hit the like button, subscribe, and comment, and click that notification bell so you don't miss any content. Again, this is Brian with Big South Outdoors TV, reminding you to live big, live southern, and live outdoors. Until the next time, folks.